Many people do not know that you can now edit PDF files on Canva. And that is exactly what I am going to show you now in few minutes. After that, I will also show you how to merge or combine two separate PDF files together, still in Canva. You do not need to upgrade or to pay for anything. If you are ready, let's dive in. So the very first thing I will do is to go to Canva. Once you go to Canva, or you go direct to this link, canva.com/pdf-editor. I will also put the link in the description box below. Once you get here, you will have to upload using this button. So you just click on it and upload your PDF file. For this lesson, I am going to get this file, this one that has Rise Part 2. So you will see the reason why I want to upload it, because remember, we are going to also show you how to combine two files. This is actually the Part 2. If you look at this place, you will notice I have Part 1 here. Let me open it. This is the Part 1. There are PDF files, though I am using only Office. So this is the first page, the part chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, but there's no chapter 4. So you are going to see how to combine it with the other one. But before we do that, let us first of all edit this. Immediately you open a file in PDF with Canva, what we are going to have is this. It will now become editable. So this will now be 4. I'll remove this, come down here, turn this one to 5. Do you see it? This is how easy it is to edit a PDF file using Canva. Just use the link you will see in the description box and open the PDF file, and that's all. You will be able to edit it. So after you are editing, you will then share it. So let me click on the share button. Once I click on the share button, I'll click on download. I'll still download it as PDF. Okay? And there are page 1 to 3. So let me download. When I click on the download button, look at it. It has finished downloading. Let's open it. This time I'm opening it in Google Chrome. So we will now have it as chapter 4, chapter 5. In case you are in doubt, look at that part 2. The initial one, it was written as chapter 1 and chapter 2 with that conclusion. So now that we have converted it, edited it as chapter 4 and chapter 5. Now let us learn how to combine it with the first one. So I will close this, come back to Canva Home, then click on this button that says Create. Once I click on this button, it is going to bring out this interface, but I will not choose any of these. What I will do is to scroll down, come to this place and click on Upload. Once I click on Upload, I am going to select the file that I want, which is this one, part 1. Okay, this is the one I will take and open it. Wait for a moment for it to open. Once we have it, I will click on it so that it will open in a separate tab. So we have 4 pages here. Page 1 is the cover, page 2 is the chapter 1, page 3 is chapter 2, and page 4 is chapter 3. We do not have any other page here. Now let me open the other one, the second one. So I will also do the same thing, create, upload, and select the file. Remember, this is the initial one that we did not edit, so I will have to get this one that I have edited, then wait for it to upload. Once it has finished uploading, we'll then open it. After opening it, what we now need to do in order to merge them, you need to pay attention to see what we need to do in order to merge. So what I will do is to come down here where I have grid view. I will click on it. We now have them in this form, in a grid view. I'll use Ctrl A to select all of them, then Ctrl C to copy. After copying, I'll now go to the first one and do the same thing. Click on grid view, then click here so that it will know that it will have to start from here. Then I'll use Ctrl V for paste. Once it is pasted, I will now have to delete this one. I don't need it again. So I now have all the chapters in one file. So if I click this thing, if I close this, you have everything in one place. Do you see it? Chapter 4, chapter 5, and conclusion. How cool is that? Let me know in the comment section if there are other better tools that can do this better than Canva. Or is there any other thing that you want to learn how to do using PDF, conversion, Canva, and all of that? Also, check my video here on how to use Canva to create an ebook. Please remember to subscribe in order to support me. I will see you on the next one. Keep learning.